Hey, what's up? It's Josh from Break Your Stereo and Performance. Now this, my friend, is a 2007 Cadillac Escalade ESV. And here's what we did. A 7-inch rough country suspension lift. And as you can see, it has the vertex coilovers in the front. And then we have the shocks in the rear. So this thing came out absolutely outstanding. It's rare to see a Cadillac Escalade lifted like this because of the Magna Ride. So the Magna Ride on this vehicle will not necessarily allow you to change out the shocks in the rear and the struts in the front because it's going to throw an error code. So the customer knew that. He was okay with it. So we're cool with it. So it looks good, but there is a little light in the dash that says to check the air suspension. But we're well beyond that. This thing looks absolutely dope. It's definitely worth it. Check out these wheels though. These are the Arkon Lincoln True Direction. This is a 22 by 14. Normally you see 14s with a negative 76. This is a negative 81. So it's got a real good aggressive look to it. We matched it up with the amp MTs. These are the 3, 25, 50, 22s. So it's a good, dope, meaty tire. These rims are freaking outstanding. I love the way that the rim looks with the spike lugs. Completely dope. We did have to do tons of modification. So we had to cut the bumper here. We also had to trim. We did a NorCal mod on the inner fender, and we actually had to even cut the side step. So that side step is electric, and we had to trim that up in order for this not to rub so bad. Still rubs a little bit, but it just looks awesome. I love the way this came out. Customers really happy with it. We're really pleased with the way it looks. So if you have a truck, an SUV, an Escalade, whatever you got, come down to Break Your Stereo and Performance. We do all suspension, wheels, tires, stereo upgrades, anything that you can imagine for your vehicle. Let us know. 465 North Oxnard Boulevard in the beautiful city of Oxnard. Peace.